Ever wondered how to add multiple instructors to a single course in Tutor LMS Pro? Whether you're managing a large academy or collaborating with other teachers, this feature can make your course management effortless. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add and manage instructors in a Tutor LMS course, step by step. First, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. From the sidebar, go to Tutor LMS Courses. Here you'll see all your existing courses listed. Choose the course where you want to add another instructor and click Edit on that course. Once inside, scroll down to the Course Author or Instructors section. Now this is where Tutor LMS Pro truly shines. You can assign multiple instructors to the same course. Simply click the search and select from your list of registered instructors. Tutor LMS will automatically link their profile and display them as co-instructors on the front end of your course page. They'll also get access to course management options, like lesson editing, grading, and student interaction. After you've added all your instructors, hit Update to save your changes. If you're managing a large number of instructors and need to add them in bulk, you can use the Tutor LMS Custom User Import plugin. It helps you import multiple users, including instructors, directly from a CSV, saving tons of time when setting up your LMS. Using Tutor LMS Pro, co-instructors can collaborate in real time, manage quizzes, lessons, and track student progress together. Perfect for large training teams or dual teaching sessions. And that's how easily you can add and manage multiple instructors in Tutor LMS Pro. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more Tutor LMS tutorials, and drop a comment if you'd like me to cover how to manage instructor earnings next.